Hi, we are pleased to provide you with the demonstration of the articulation for partner districts between CaliforniaColleges.edu and Cal State Apply. This video will briefly demonstrate the end-to-end process of importing coursework from CaliforniaColleges.edu to Cal State Apply. That end-to-end process has 3 steps. First, the student will link their accounts. Next, the student will import their coursework. And then finally, once the student has reviewed and submitted the application, the transcript data will show within WebAdmit, which is the system by which CSU campuses review applications. We will briefly demo all this functionality using some sample student and course data. The preferred starting point for this process is a student initiating their application to the Cal State system from within their account on CaliforniaColleges.edu. So here you see we have a student who is logged into CaliforniaColleges.edu. And in their college plan, they've already saved California State University Bakersfield. So they can click on the College Applications tab, and they'll see an Apply link. They could have also searched for the college. When the student clicks that Apply link, they're automatically taken to the login page for Cal State Apply. We will log in here with a test account. Note that the student could also, at this point, have created an account. Now, as the student is going through the Cal State Apply process, they'll get to the Academic History tab, and when they go to add their high schools attended, they'll see a CaliforniaColleges.edu link and a Show Me How button. If they click that, notice here we see the Import button. So this is step 2. Once the student accounts are linked, the student will see an Import button. The course information from the student's account in CaliforniaColleges.edu, as well as their SID number, populates the application. So let's click Import and continue. Notice we get a nice graphic here. And success! The information has been loaded into the application. So notice here we can see some sample coursework for a student. Now students can edit schools and courses. However, those edited courses will no longer be transcript verified. The A to G section here will also already be filled out for all courses that were A to G matched, corresponding to the green courses in the CSU Eligibility tab in CaliforniaColleges.edu. And students will need to match any non-A to G matched courses corresponding to yellow courses in CaliforniaColleges.edu on this A to G page. Now, once a student has reviewed and submitted an application, the student and course data that make up that application are available to CSU campuses via a tool called WebAdmit. Here you can see that the coursework that was imported from the student's CaliforniaColleges.edu account shows as official, the black button here. Now, it's not the preferred approach, but if a student opts to launch their application from Cal State Apply directly, they can still import their coursework. So here's how it works. We will log in to an account on Cal State Apply. And when this student gets to the high school attendance section, you'll see that they get a Connect button instead of an Import button. So if they click Connect, they'll get a graphic explaining what's about to happen, which is that they'll get redirected back to CaliforniaColleges.edu. Here they'll be able to sign into their account. And then they will be automatically directed back to the Cal State Apply page. And then now you see that they have an Import button, meaning that they can now import their courses. Thank you very much.